If you're trying to remove a hole in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to delete a hole shape and how to remove a hole even after your objects have already been grouped. This is super useful if you made a mistake, changed your design, or just want to clean up your model without starting over. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Tinkercad tips. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the simplest case. If the hole shape has not been grouped with your solid object yet, removing it is very easy. All you need to do is click directly on the hole shape to select it. Once it's selected, press Delete on your keyboard, or click the trash can icon in the top left toolbar. That will remove the hole from your workspace completely. This is the fastest option, and it works great when the hole is still separate. Now, if your hole has already been grouped with another object, the process is a little different, but still easy. In Tinkercad, when a hole is grouped with a solid shape, it becomes part of the design. To remove it, first select the grouped object. Then go to the top toolbar and click Ungroup. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or the equivalent Ungroup shortcut on your device. Once you ungroup the object, Tinkercad will separate it back into individual pieces. After ungrouping, you should be able to click on the hole shape itself. Select it, then press Delete to remove it from the design. At this point, the remaining solid shapes will still be there, and you can keep editing them as needed. If you want, you can also select the remaining pieces and group them again to rebuild your object without the hole. Here's a quick tip to make this even easier. If you think you might want to reuse the hole later, don't delete it right away. Instead, just move it off to the side of your workspace, or keep a copy nearby. That way you can bring it back later without redrawing it. But if you know for sure you don't need it anymore, deleting it is the cleanest option. Another important thing to remember is that hole shapes in Tinkercad only work the way you expect when they are grouped with solid objects. So if the hole seems stuck or hard to remove, the main thing to check is whether it is currently grouped. If it is, ungroup first. If it isn't, just delete it directly. That simple rule will save you a lot of time while designing. So to recap, if the hole is not grouped, click it and delete it. If the hole is already grouped, select the object, ungroup it, then delete the hole shape, and regroup the remaining parts if needed. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.